Imagine a process so precise and intricate that it transforms simple milk into a block of gourmet cheese. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on industrial cheesemaking, a journey where tradition meets innovation, and every step is meticulously controlled to deliver the perfect product. Welcome to industrial cheesemaking, from dairy farm to cheese block in the factory. At first glance, a dairy farm may seem like a quiet, pastoral scene, but behind those gentle meadows lies a well-oiled machine where expert farmers and advanced technology work in unison. In this video, we'll take you through every stage of cheese production, from the early morning routines on the farm to the high-tech processes in the factory. Get ready to discover how raw, fresh milk is carefully transformed into the cheese we love. As the first light of day touches the fields, the dairy farm awakens. Farmers start their day by tending to the herd, ensuring each cow is healthy, comfortable, and ready for milking. They perform a series of routine checks, monitoring everything from the cow's nutrition to the cleanliness of the barns. The milking process itself is both an art and a science. Each cow is gently led to modern milking stations where state-of-the-art equipment collects the milk with precision and care. This early stage is critical because the quality of the milk directly influences the quality of the final cheese. Every drop is handled with the utmost care, setting the foundation for the transformation ahead. Once the milk is collected, it's swiftly transported to the processing area within the facility. Here, the milk undergoes pasteurization, a vital process that heats the milk to a specific temperature for a set period to eliminate harmful bacteria while preserving the delicate flavors that will define the cheese. In this controlled environment, technicians monitor temperature, timing, and flow rates to ensure that every batch meets strict safety and quality standards. This step not only protects consumers, but also primes the milk for the chemical reactions that will turn it into curds, setting the stage for the next phase of production. After pasteurization, the milk is combined with carefully selected bacterial cultures and enzymes. This blend initiates the coagulation process, where the milk gradually transforms into curds and whey. A key player in this transformation is rennet. With the curds prepared, the next phase involves gently cooking them in large vats. This controlled heating process helps expel the remaining whey and further refines the curd structure. As the curds heat up, they are carefully stirred and monitored to ensure consistency. Once the ideal texture is reached, the curds are transferred into molds. Here, the curds are pressed under calibrated pressure to squeeze out any residual moisture, shaping them into the familiar block form. This pressing and molding process is a delicate balance. Too much pressure can ruin the texture, while too little leaves excess moisture that could affect the flavor. The result is a well-formed cheese block, ready to undergo its final transformation. A natural enzyme that causes the milk to thicken and form a solid mass. Once the curds have formed, skilled technicians carefully cut them into small pieces. This cutting is crucial. It determines the texture of the cheese by controlling how much whey is released. The smaller the curds, the firmer the final product will be. This step is where the magic begins, turning liquid milk into the building blocks of cheese. Cheddar cheese undergoes a unique process known as cheddaring. After the curds are formed and cut, they are stacked and flipped repeatedly to expel additional whey and develop the desired texture. This cheddaring process contributes to the cheese's characteristic firmness and flavor. Once cheddaring is complete, the curds are milled into smaller pieces, salted and pressed into molds to form the final blocks of cheddar cheese. Mozzarella cheese production involves a distinctive technique called pasta filata, or spun paste. After curd formation, the curds are heated and stretched, creating the cheese's signature stretchy and elastic texture. This process is essential for achieving the meltability that mozzarella is renowned for, making it a favorite for dishes like pizza and lasagna. After molding, the cheese enters a crucial stage, aging. In specially controlled rooms, the cheese is stored under precise conditions of temperature and humidity, allowing it to develop its distinctive flavor and texture over time. Depending on the variety, the cheese might age for weeks or even months. During this period, experts periodically check the cheese, trimming the edges and ensuring that the maturation process proceeds uniformly. Once the cheese has reached its peak, it moves on to the finishing touches, being packaged, labeled, and prepared for shipment. Every block is carefully inspected to guarantee that it meets the high standards expected by consumers, ensuring that when you taste it, you experience nothing short of perfection. After aging, finishing, and packaging, cheese enters the distribution phase, ensuring it reaches consumers in optimal condition. This process involves several key components. Wholesale distribution. Cheese manufacturers often sell their products in bulk to wholesalers, who then supply retailers, food service providers, and other businesses. Transportation logistics. Maintaining cheese quality during transit is crucial. Refrigerated trucks and other temperature-controlled carriers are used to prevent spoilage. Specialized protective packaging ensures cheese remains at the required cold temperatures throughout the journey. Specialist retailers. Some cheeses, particularly artisanal or specialty varieties, are distributed directly to specialist cheese shops, often using insulated boxes or refrigerated vans. Efficient distribution ensures that cheese products are delivered to retailers, restaurants, and consumers while maintaining optimal freshness and quality. The cheese industry significantly contributes to the economy, influencing various sectors. Job creation. In the United States, the dairy industry supports over 3.2 million jobs, generating $49 billion in direct wages. Economic output. The U.S. dairy industry's total economic impact is nearly $794 billion, reflecting its substantial role in the national economy. Regional contributions. In regions renowned for cheese production, such as Wisconsin, the dairy industry has a significant economic presence. Wisconsin's dairy industry, for example, has an economic impact of $52.8 billion, positioning it alongside major global corporations in terms of economic influence. These figures underscore the cheese industry's vital role in driving economic growth, supporting employment, and contributing to both local and national economies. Cheese plays a pivotal role in the fast food industry, enhancing the flavor, texture, and appeal of numerous dishes. Burgers. Melted cheese slices, such as cheddar or American cheese, are standard toppings on burgers, adding richness and creaminess that complement the savory flavors of the meat. Pizzas. Mozzarella cheese is a staple on pizzas, providing the characteristic stretchy texture and mild flavor that balances various toppings. Sandwiches and subs. Cheese varieties like provolone, Swiss, and pepper jack are commonly added to sandwiches and subs, offering diverse flavors and textures that enhance the overall taste experience. Nachos and tacos. In Mexican-inspired fast food, cheeses such as cheddar and Monterey Jack are used in nachos and tacos, contributing to the dish's richness and flavor complexity. From the early morning routines at the dairy farm to the high-tech precision in the factory, every step of industrial cheese making is a testament to hard work, expertise, and a passion for quality. This journey transforms raw, fresh milk into a delicious, expertly crafted cheese block, a product that embodies both tradition and modern innovation. Thank you for joining us on this detailed exploration of industrial cheesemaking. The next time you savor a slice of cheese, remember the incredible process and dedication behind every bite. Stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes stories that bring the art and science of food production to life.